Is your computer running slow?
Be right back.
You're not sure what it is?
Here's a cool little utility. Let's see. Here we go. If you got, let's go to search for Process Explorer. And here you go. This is the one. Process Explorer. This is kind of like a task manager on steroids. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and download it. Okay, there it is. It's downloading. Now I already had it downloaded, but we'll just let it finish here and kind of go through the process here. I'm running Windows 7. Kind of runs the same on all versions of Windows from my experience. Now that it's there, let's go ahead and extract it. Let's minimize that, clean this up. Okay, let's go ahead and extract. Actually, I just want to extract this exe, so let's extract that to the desktop so I can have it available. There it is. Okay, so now what I like to do is dump this right into my System32 folder. So let's go colon / Windows System32. Got that open. So what I do is I'm just going to copy that and dump it right in here. Since it's already there, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and replace it anyways. Why not? Okay, there it is. So now that it's there, all you got to really do is come here. And since I'm running Windows 7, it's kind of like Vista. You just got to type the name of the exe, which is PROCEXP, and there it shows up right away. So just click that. The way I like to set it up is, oh, there it is. It's hidden down here on my other screen. The way I like to set it up is I add the switch the, oh man, what do you call it? Let's go view. Let's go to select columns. Go to process performance and context switch delta. Basically, that I can't even explain it. Basically, it tells you how many times a particular thread is accessing the CPU per second or something like that. So I just added that and I dragged the column. The column starts off over here, so I just drag it over here by the CPU. It's just where I like it, and I always sort by the context switch delta and have the highest one up at the top, because not necessarily if you're sorting by CPU usage, you know, like if you're viewing Task Manager here and you're looking at your performance, you're going, hey, it looks pretty good, and you go over processes, you sort by CPU, you're like, hey, you know, it's I got the system idle process is up on the top. You're like, why does my system seem slow? Just because this one's high doesn't mean that this is high. So what I found at work, because at work I run a VMware server on my main machine, which I don't want to do, but I had to do it for a particular reason, for a backup server, and because that thing runs, it completely drags down my box, and I couldn't figure out what was slowing down my box when I restarted. So I opened this thing up. My CPU usage didn't show anything out of the ordinary, but when I put this thing up in there and sorted by context switch delta, it showed my VMware process. My VMware server process was taking up all this processing time. So that, you know, at least that pointed me right in the right direction. There's a lot of other cool little things you can do, and then, you know, here's showing you what programs are using up all the RAM and the CPU usage and all this stuff. So there's all kinds of graphs and crap. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. I mean, you can dig down, go to properties or something, and look at more details. Anyways, you can play with it. It's got a lot of good information. It's Process Explorer.